VIVE was born from the idea that food is about sharing. We want people to learn and discover the nuance of people and culture through food. Growing up in France with Cambodian parents put a huge emphasis on food, and it was a ritual in our family that dinner was to be spent together around the table. Cooking and sharing the food that you make, there's something rewarding about it. Food is not just about learning technique, but it's also about discovering the artisan, the producers, the people behind the food. It is so important that we look at food from a holistic standpoint. VIVE Cooking School, it's a platform. What we're trying to do is helping people to be confident in the kitchen so that they can be proud of sharing their meal with their friends, their family, and create those moments of happiness.